Hey friends, it's Aki Dearest. So today I'm going to be doing a challenge that I've been seeing on YouTube called I tried following someone's makeup tutorial. And it's someone that tries to do a tutorial from a beauty guru or Kylie Jenner. So given the theme of this channel, I have decided that I'm going to do an anime makeup cosplayer eye tutorial. Let me try that again. Anime makeup eye tutorial. Nailed it! Gonna go on YouTube, type in anime makeup eye tutorial, and see who I find. So I found this YouTuber, Z Winnie Yap. Her stuff looks amazing. The one thing that I'm really scared to do is getting rid of my eyebrows. I have never mastered that. It just looks like a damn X on my face. Alright, let's give it a shot. Levi eye tutorial. Yeah, there's no way it's gonna look like that. Oh, so I don't know how much I'm supposed to add. That's chunky. Something tells me that I've already messed up. I'm tearing out my eyebrow hairs! Maybe that's okay. I look like I've got some major dandruff on my eyebrows. I'm pulling out everything. Is this okay? Can I do this? People, I just went to the dollar store and picked up whatever I could find. Oh, I'm so dumb. That's not powder. It's a sponge. This is why I'm not a beauty channel. I am an idiot. I ravaged through my mom's makeup bag to see if she had anything, and I had to make sure that this was correct. Oh, that does make a difference. I didn't think it would, but it does. Ow. Comment down below for every error that I do wrong and what I should have done differently. Sponge. She now puts the foundation on. Oh, wait, is it working? No, you can tell I have an eyebrow. It's very much there. It just looks like a very faded eyebrow. Like it's really covered at the end here. She managed to just get rid of it completely. Maybe I need to add more glue. Okay, that's working a little bit better. You can still see the eyebrow, but it's a lot better than last time. I'm trying to get it like this patch over here where it's just gone. How did I even do that? I have never seen myself with faded eyebrows. You know, the convenient thing about my face though is that I have two eyes and two eyebrows. So if I mess up here, I can just do it again on the other. Okay, beauty channels, tell me right now, how long is your actual footage before you edit? Because this has taken me so long to do. And you guys make it look like it took you like 5 minutes. I think it's gonna work. Oh my god, I think I did it. Guys, I actually kind of got rid of my eyebrow. Wow, that looks so weird. What the hell? I don't know what that was. This kind of just looks like my original eyebrow, just straight. What is that? I look like I've got a bronze crescent moon on my eyeball. I look like I just badly aimed my eyeshadow. You just want to take like the rotate tool and like, I'll just take that off. What am I doing? God damn. Third time's the charm. You just adjust the eyebrow. I can't do it! I don't know what I'm doing. So she put some black on here. I feel like that's too much. Yeah, I gotta get rid of some of this. How am I supposed to do this? I imagine everyone who knows this YouTuber, like, finds her as a lifesaver for eye tutorials. And you have to go back here. Make a little tree branch on your eye. Oh, it's just you went kind of all the way with that. Oh, it's not, this part's not even attached to her eye. Oh my gosh, this is actually turning out terrible! I look like Yoonbum just got punched in the eye. This just looks like I put on way too much eyeliner. Look at all that. That is a mess. I didn't even need to get rid of my eyebrow. I just drew it back on. This is not Levi. I don't even think the cosplay could help me now. This looks like when your makeup wipes off really badly in the middle of the convention because the cosplay bomb just blows up. So you see that? I just drew my eyebrow back on. I went through all that trouble to get rid of it, only to put it back on. Well, the positive note is that I figured out how to get rid of my eyebrows. Now it's just a matter of learning how to draw everything else. This is like every mistake that I make on an eyeliner if I didn't wipe it off. I just got punched in the eye. I look like I have 3 eyelids. Makeup tutorials are hard. They make it look so easy, and then you have to watch it over and over and over again and then cry at yourself because you don't do it just as well, nearly as well. But yeah, that was everything I'm gonna showcase, guys. I'll also link the YouTuber Z Winnie Yap. You guys can go check her stuff out. A lot of her like makeup stuff looks amazing. So if you guys cosplay and you guys want to know how to do some anime eyes, I think this girl is just what you're looking for. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more anime and otaku related content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!